Peace, peace, family, peace. Welcome to the weekly Friday mini challenge. I'm Empress Crissy. Welcome to the channel. Every Friday we do a little mini challenge here in the community. This week's challenge is I don't do that anymore. The I don't do that anymore challenge. And what you're going to do, you're going to think about what a couple of habits or behaviors that you would love to release and not do anymore. Okay. That'll be your first step. Take a minute to at least pick a couple and become aware. Check in, take a moment, and just see what is taking up space in my body, my mind, and my energy that I no longer need. Once you get that, you're going to create or do a small ritual to symbolize what you're releasing. You can write that down on paper, for example, and just tear it up. And when you tearing it up, you can just say, I release this, whatever this is, with love and grace, and just tear it and let it go. Let it be step 2. Just create a small ritual. Just write it down and just tear it up, let it go. These steps will be in the description at the bottom of the video. So you'll have them there to reference to. Step 3, you're going to replace that old belief with a more empowering belief. So for example, let's say we want to release overthinking. We're going to replace that with 5 minutes of meditation. Or let's say we want to release scrolling on our cell phone at night. We can replace that with reading a few minutes at night or journaling a few minutes at night. So you want to, whatever you released, you want to replace that with a more empowering action for yourself. And write that down as well. And then step 4, you're going to create a mantra from that. So say you release the overthinking. Now you're going to create a mantra and you can say, I am free within my mind and I meditate daily. I'm free within my mind and I meditate daily. There could be an example of what you can do to replace your old belief. Then you're going to say that belief, read the new belief, read it every day. Then you're going to celebrate. And what I want you to also do is comment, let us know, what did you release and how is it going? Let us know in the comments below. This week's challenge, I don't do that anymore. We have these every Friday here in the community. It's engagement so we could continue to grow and evolve and become the best aspect of us. And everything in life is going to happen in stages and process. It's a process. I started my journey 10 plus years ago on this particular stage in my life. It started 10 years ago. So it's a process and it's a journey. Comment and share in the bottom what you released and how is it going. And also remember that the steps for this challenge is going to be in the description box under the video. I hope you join us on this challenge. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'm Empress. I'll see you guys later. Peace. I'm out with love.